My dad's got a day off today, so I'm cooking today. We have spicy, juicy chicken wings. Okay, so we have 15 chicken wings in the mixing bowl. Let's see how this goes. 15 chicken wings are 1 kg. So we have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And we also have 1 teaspoon of salt. We have 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1/4 cup of oil. 1/4 cup of ketchup. Mix it really well, so it's really good. Chicken will be coming up good. Let's go. Now we'll put it in the air fryer at 180 for 15 minutes. Job done. The chicken is in the air fryer basket. Halfway, shake it. 180, 15 minutes. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it. They are juicy, they are spicy, lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.